Hello everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate how to create products in ERP. This will be your login screen. Here you will enter your email address. Password, you will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. Then navigate to purchases and click on products. Now in order to create new products in the system, click on create button. Here you will describe your product name. If your product is for selling purpose, click on can be sold. If it is for purchasing purpose, click on can be purchased. If it is for expensed one, then click on can be expensed. If it is an asset, then click on is asset. Please note, only IT asset products will become in this checkbox. Here my product is for can be purchased only, then I am checking the only can be purchased one. In product type, you will describe your product type. Here three types of product types are given: consumable, service and non-consumable. If you want to store this particular product in inventory, click on non-consumable. If it is a service product, then click on service one. If it is a consumable and its inventory is not going to update in the system, then click on consumable. Here my product is non-consumable one, that's why I am selecting the non-consumable. In category, you will define the category in which your product lie. For example, here I am defining it as all fixed asset, tools and service equipment. It is necessary to select the category of the product. In internal reference, you will specify any reference number which will going to uniquely identify this product. If there is any barcode number of this product, you can enter here. Any HSN SAC code for this product you can enter here. In sale and cost price, you will enter the sale and cost price of the product. In unit of measure, you will select the unit of measure of this product, and purchase unit of measure, you select those unit of project in which you buy this product. For example, here I am selecting as cubic meter. Sorry, in numbers. Now here you can add your vendor for which you deal with for that product. For example, my vendor is fixed for this particular cement product, so I can add here what minimum quantity I get from this vendor. I can add here at what price and what the end and start date to deliver the product. I can add all the fields here. Here in invoicing, you can add the vendor taxes and customer taxes for this product. In notes, you can add any notes which you want to add for this particular products. For example, here you can add the description for vendor, here any description for receptions, any description for delivery orders, or any internal transfer description you can add here. Please note, the fields which are in blue are the mandatory ones. After filling all the details in the system, click on save button. This is how you will create the products in your system.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos, and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.